is the part in the book where things start to get a little tricky. So you have to be really careful and pay attention to what's happening. I suggest practicing this etude very slowly and always try to be ahead of yourself, at least one measure. So if you play in measure 1, for instance, mentally you're already preparing for measure 2, and so on and so forth. So always kind of be ahead of yourself, at least one measure. So that will help you kind of group the fingers and position them in a way that sounds good. The trickiest part, I think, is in the middle of this etude, in the kind of heart of this etude. I'm sure you're gonna figure it out. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. I always read all the comments people leave and try to reply to as many as I can. Thank you for watching.